If you give me 60 seconds of your time, I want to show you what this old dude named Leonardo da Vinci can teach you about software engineering. I know you are a busy dude, you probably have to watch a Taylor Swift video or cat video, so listen up. I will summarize this video for you in 20 seconds. Number one, Leonardo da Vinci teaches us take inspiration from other industries. He took information from all the industries and he combined it into his art. That's number one. Number two, refine and iterate on your work. If you're just constantly sitting there doing nothing, you're gonna lose in life. You need to keep improving yourself. Number three, be curious about the way things connect with each other, the interconnectedness. If you understand how complex software systems are interconnected with each other, you will win. That's it. Bye. If you're still here, that means you're a G. You really care about learning things. And I'm sure Leonardo da Vinci would have smiled upon you. I want to genuinely show you how listening to this dude changed my life for the better. This dude was out and about in 1492, in the 1400s, chilling, having fun, painting, doing math, sciencing, engineering, doing all of this crazy stuff. I mean, this is what a Renaissance man is. A man who's able to do so many things. A T specification. Broad knowledge of a lot of things, but specific knowledge in one domain. That's who I aspire to be. And this helped me when I had to go interview for companies when I wanted to become a software developer. It was only after reading books about sales and marketing that I understood how to present yourself as a potential employee for a company. Most developers I know, they don't give a shit about marketing or sales. All they care about is coding. And I'm here to tell you that if you focus on a broad variety of subjects, you'll be able to get ahead compared to the normal developers. You need to become a Renaissance developer, learning about product design, learning about basic marketing and sales. Furthermore, do you have design skills? Can you design stuff like in Photoshop or Figma or Canva? This is pretty useful stuff in today's day and age. And I'm sure that if Leonardo da Vinci was living in our time, he'd be doing all of this stuff. He'd be a coder, he'd be a painter, he'd be a social media influencer, no doubt. Okay, picture this. You are Leonardo da Vinci, but instead of a paintbrush and a canvas, you have a keyboard and a code editor. You're ready to take on any challenge that comes across your way as a software developer. You see, the difference is this canvas is filled with code and intricate software systems, and you're feeling a bit overwhelmed. But lucky for you, you're Leonardo da Vinci, you don't give a shit. Leonardo da Vinci was gifted. He was insatiably curious. More curious than Curious George, man. Leo was well known for seeing connections where other people couldn't see shit. See, he would view a full stack software like a very intricate clock. All the cogs inside would represent the servers, the databases, all the back-end stuff. And then you have the hands on the clock that represent the front end, the things that the user can see. And then you think about the way it's all connected together, the encasing. That could be your infrastructure, your architecture. You see, when you bring all of those things together, it becomes one coherent system. If Leo had to code and construct a full stack system, he would sketch out the entire system, just like he would sketch out his inventions. He would do this just so that he would have a better understanding of the system that he was working on. Can you imagine? This would make the complexity of the problem so much more bearable and easier to deal with. To become a 10x coder and a top 1% developer, you need to implement connaissance in your life. That's a fancy ass word in French that I don't know what the fuck that means, or Italian or whatever. Connaissance. It basically means you need to understand the interconnectedness of everything. Understand how your code impacts the user interface, how your database design affects performance, and how your server setup affects scalability. You know who else gave a shit about Leonardo da Vinci? Our boy Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs loved the way Leonardo da Vinci was able to take art and science and mix that shit together in beautiful inventions, beautiful sculptures and paintings. This is exactly what Steve did when he built the products that we built till today. The iPhone, the Mac, the iPad. It's crazy. Magic will happen when you combine different disciplines and create interdisciplinary products. Damn, my vocabulary is getting intense today. In summary, Leonardo da Vinci, he gave a shit about curiosity. Be curious. Refine your skills. Ask questions. Understand how your components interact with each other. At the end of the day, you're building a wonderful piece of software. And you need to be able to understand how it's all connected to each other. Leonardo da Vinci was remembered for generations, bro. Now, I'm not saying that you and me are Leonardo da Vinci, but we have to learn the lessons that he has passed down for generations. I want us to create beautiful products in the future, man. AI is coming. We don't want to be those lazy developers that don't iterate on ourselves, right? I don't want you and me to be the developers that get lazy, that get complacent. Those TC or GTFO developers from blind.com, fuck that shit. We're better than that. You see, we hear the birds chirping, we hear the leaves whistling in the air. And we love that shit. Why? Because we understand that nature helps us create beautiful products. Now, I know I might sound wishy-washy or fruity, but seriously, when's the last time you really took a look at what you're taking inside? What kind of content you're consuming? Are you consuming informational content? Are you consuming entertainment? There's so much to learn in this vast, beautiful world. And I want you and me to be the best. Listen, I have a community filled with passionate, ambitious, visionary developers that I want you to meet. So click the link below in the description, join my clan, and let's build some beautiful products together, okay? Remember, life is a gift given by the gods, to make a proper use of it. I want to see you soon. Take it easy, have fun, build some nice products. Peace out, love you, take care, bye.